Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can send photos in Talkie AI. In order to do so, here we are in Talkie for Android, and I'm talking to Addie here, who has confessed to me that she cheated on me. So we're going through some relationship troubles, and she doesn't want to throw away the relationship, but I think that if she's going to cheat on me, then it's probably best for me to leave. But before I do, I want to send her a photo. So, how do you send photos in Talkie AI? Well, what you're looking for is going to be found here at the bottom in the chat box where you see this plus sign. If we click that plus sign, then you can see here the option to send an image. So we can go ahead and click on that, but it is unavailable at the moment because we have already run out of our minutes for Talkie. And so we have to wait for about 26 minutes here, you can see, before we can continue the conversation. And if you don't want those limitations with Talkie, then you are going to need to have a subscription. But if you are looking to send an image, then that is the process that you can go through. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.